Okay, so I've gotten into this snowblower issue, and it's not going to make a whole lot of sense until I actually get this thing put back together, but I just want to show you the area where I'm working at for starters, and then the little modification I made. So there's a tensioner pulley that rides right here, and that is what engages or keeps tension on this little teeny weeny drive belt for the drive mechanism of this thing. Well, it appears that there's been a revision on this thing. Apparently nobody has or sells this tension spring or torsion spring any longer. It appears that they've changed this bracket and added a tension spring on subsequent models. But anyways, what appears to have been the problem is this spring couldn't provide enough torsion to hold this pulley up against the drive belt. Looks like this section of the spring was just riding up against this wall of it. And what I've done is I've welded on just a little hook there so that I can add a little bit more tension to this spring. So anyways, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to reinstall this thing and show you guys the aftermath and, well, see if it'll actually drive. So back in a second. Okay, it is now reinstalled, and there is significantly more tension on that thing. So hopefully this will work. I'm going to finish showing you guys this before I put the cover on it and before I take it out and test drive it. Well, I'm going to test drive it before I put the cover on it, but at any rate, this spring rides on this bolt over here. So anyways, I will pause this one more time and I'm going to wrangle this thing outside and get it fired up and see if it'll drive. Oh yeah, I think that's a fix. Anyways, it's not ideal, but more tension on the spring and it looks like it's good to go. So I'm going to put this thing back together and hopefully get it back to its owner in a day or two.